So hi everyone, look at this question. Draw a ray diagram to show the path of a reflected ray corresponding to an incident ray of light parallel to the principal axis of convex mirror and show the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. So first of all, read the question carefully and give me the answer. I will draw the diagram. This is our convex mirror. Convex mirror. 1 minute. Yes. This is a convex mirror. Clear? Is it so? Clear? Now draw the principal axis. This is our focus and this is center of curvature. If you want me to highlight, I can highlight also. So what they are saying that, just look at this. If a light ray is parallel to principal axis, it will be like this. You should draw with a scale, okay? Might be like I've drawn not up to the mark. From center of curvature, if you draw any line from the center of curvature to the reflecting surface or a mirror that is perpendicular, that is normal. Okay, clear? So this is normal. This is angle of incidence. So accordingly, like it should pass through a focus. So we know that it is passing through focus. So make it like this. It is passing through focus. Draw like this. It is appears to pass through focus. This is angle of reflection. Reflection, sorry. You should draw with a scale, pencil, rubber. Use it and draw properly. Yeah, it is very not that much tough. This is our convex lens. Just like draw. I want to tell like this. Do like this. Do like this. This is your normal and this is focus. Incident ray reflected. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Like this. I think it's an easy question like everybody can solve. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. That's why I'm not like putting more stress on this. You all can solve this.